Hi, my name is Shuram. Good morning, everyone. Here is the acknowledgement of country.
We acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we stand today and recognise their continuing connection to land, waters and culture. We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging.
Could everyone please stand up for the national anthem? Have all hats off, hands by your sides, and please place the national flag. Mr. Sharp with the principal's message.
Hi everyone, welcome to our assembly online, hopefully for the last time. I'm coming to you at the moment what was the finish line of cross country this morning. It was fantastic to see so many people from years 3, 4, 5 and 6 going out and doing cross country. You can see that the people who have been involved in running club, it's helped them, and don't forget that running club does happen on a Wednesday morning from 8:30. Try and do as many laps as you can to keep getting fit, and it was great to see so many people who put in that effort today, whether they were first, whether they were in a different position, but they were trying their best, and we saw that with so many people, so well done. This week's been pretty busy as well. We had Harmony Day on Tuesday, and that was a fantastic event. It's great to see so many people in different colours and shapes and sizes and doing a whole range of different things, exploring and understanding different cultures that we have here at Lyndhurst, and we definitely embrace. Looking ahead, there's a few things that I just want to make aware of for parents. Starting next week, we are going to have school drop-off times for the yard duty supervision that we have here, starting at 8:45 until 9 o'clock, and then likewise for 15 minutes at the end of the day between 3:30 and 3:45. Also, we're welcoming parents back on site. It's great to have you back. There are still some restrictions, which does mean you can't enter any buildings at the moment. If you do need to enter a building, it has to be through the front office, and you must show your vaccination certificate in doing so as well. On that, we do have on the 9th of April, so that is the first Saturday of the school holidays, the vaccination clinic coming back here. I know there was a number of students from years 5 to 11 who received their first dose during that time. Well, it's exactly 8 weeks afterwards, so they'll be eligible for their second dose. It's going to be here between 9 o'clock and 12 o'clock on the 9th of April. In the meantime, hope you're all well. We really have enjoyed the last few weeks with a whole range of activities, and we can't wait to welcome the community back. I understand there's still some restrictions and so forth that are in play, but hopefully we can have more events and more community-based items across the school. Until next time, see you.
Thank you, Mr. Sharp. Each week, students can win the Cormorant Award for working really well, being kind towards others, and trying their best. They might have shown some of the school values or some positive attitudes towards others and their learning. give all our cormorant winners a round of applause.
Congratulations to all Common Award winners. My name is Aubrey. We are now going to do the Common Award Feather Awards. We will draw out feathers from the Common Award box.
All right, we're here with the cormorant feathers for this week. Let's see who our people are. Oh my goodness, there are so many in here. That's great to know. Okay, this is my first one. So the first one is to someone in 6D for being good on the floor and during class, and that's Tiana, so well done. The next one, going deep into the box, we've got another one which is for 4A, someone for being responsible during a brain break, and that was for Cooper. Well done, Cooper. Going deep again. Wow, listen to that. I'm sure you can hear the noise. There are that many in here. This one is for being a great friend in 2B. That's Hassani. Well done, Hassani. And lucky last is this one, and this one is for someone in 3E for being a good friend. That's a really good trait, and that's for Hania. So well done.
Please give out feather awards a round of applause.
Good morning, my name is Isabella.
And my name is Ryder. We're going to hear about the new club that is fast, cool and healthy.
It's the Lyndhurst Run Club. Check it out on Wednesday.
That's right, Isabella. As you can see, I'm in my running gear, or kind of in my running gear from cross country today. Running club happens each Wednesday, starts at 8:30, goes until the start of school around about 8:50. It's been great over the past 2 weeks since we've started it, seeing so many kids out. We had about 100 and 100 plus over the last 2 weeks being involved. Anyone is welcome. Please join in. It's a great atmosphere, and you can strive to get that extra lap each week. So well done. I look forward to seeing a whole heap of people at Running Club, including yourself, Isabella and Ryder.
On Friday morning, the grades 3 to 6s did cross country.
They were all dressed in really cool colours and did really well.
And to all the teachers, thank you for helping out.
In 4th place on 263 points, Air House. And on 3rd place on 291 points, Earth House.
In 2nd place with 342 points was Firehouse. And the winning house was Waterhouse with 370 house points.
Well done to everyone who have raced.
Here's the sustainability report.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Sustainability Report for this week.
A big thank you to all the grades that have been doing Little Legends over the past couple of weeks. So far this term, 4A, 2G, 2D, 3B, 1B and 2A have collected litter. Between them, they have collected just over 25 kilos. There shouldn't be that much litter outside in the yard because you should put it in a bin or bring nude food to school.
The Nude Food Challenge is still going strong.
Here are the results.
Another battle at the top of the nude food leaderboard this week, with the top 5 grades having most of their students bringing in nude food. The top 5 are: in 5th place is 2C, in 4th place is 3B, in 3rd place is 4D, well done Mr Hennessy, in 2nd place is 5B, and in 1st place again is 4E. Will anyone take that top spot away from Miss Hodgson's grades? Who will get the end of term dance party? Stay tuned next week.
And finally, we want to thank everyone for helping with Clean Up Lyndhurst Day. Thanks to all of you, we collected a huge 35.8 kilograms of litter. Welcome everybody to Lyndhurst Primary Cleanup Day. sorted out all the litter into categories, and here's what we found.
Compostables 1.5 kilograms.
2.7 kilograms of paper rubbish.
Canteen rubbish 10.3 kilograms.
18.9 kilograms of landfill rubbish. And we collected 124 masks.
Here are some questions to think about in your class meetings.
Maybe have a think about how we can reduce these amounts.
How we can stop all the masks from going outside.
How can we reduce the amount of canteen rubbish? Also, we want to say a big thank you to Abby and Matt, who spoke to all of the sustainability officers on the day. They gave us lots of tips to help us look after the planet. But one question remains. Who was Mr. Bin?
Well, Shannon, it was not Mr. Lacey or Mr. Sharp. It was Matt from the council.
What? Bye, and that's it from us this week.
Put your rubbish in the bin and not the floor.
Yeah.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great week. Bye for now.
Bye.